Introduction to Flowcharts. Visualizing Problem Solving. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore a new powerful tool for visualizing problem solving, flowcharts. Whether you are new to flowcharts or just need some recallment, by the end of this video, you'll understand how to create and use them effectively. So yeah, let's dive in. So what is a flowchart? A flowchart is a diagram that represents a process, showing the steps as boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting them with arrows. It's a visual tool that helps you to map out a process or algorithm step by step, making it easier to understand and communicate. And so you may ask, why should we use flowcharts? Well, to answer that, they are incredibly powerful for breaking down complex process into manageable parts. Whether you are planning project, developing software, or even organizing your day, flowcharts help you visualize the steps involved, making it easier to identify potential issues and optimize your process. And yeah, so now let's take a look at some of the most common flowchart symbols you'll encounter. So this oval represents the beginning or the end of a process. Then there is this box. This box represents a step in the process, like task or action that needs to be completed. And next, there is diamond. This shape is used to show a decision point, where the process can branch into two or more paths, depending on the condition. Next, there is parallelogram. This symbol is used for input and output operation, like getting user data or displaying a result. And here, there is a circle, or we can call it a connector. Connectors are used to link a different part of the flowchart, especially when it gets too complex to fit in one page. Finally, arrow. Arrow indicate the flow of the process from one step to the next. Now maybe you are wondering, how do we make the flowchart? Okay, so let us make the flowchart, okay? We know we can use the basic symbol, so imagine you are writing a flowchart for making a cup of tea. Here how it might look. Okay, so let's start the process, alright? Firstly, the first step is to boil the water. Next, we add tea bag to the cup. Then, pour the boiling water into the cup. And here's a decision point. Do you want to add milk? If yes, let us add milk. If no, we shall skip to the next step. Next, stir the tea and end. Yeah, that's it. Finally, enjoy the cup of tea. The process ends here. Pretty simple, right? Alright, so we already know how to make the flowchart. But how do we use it? So, flowcharts are versatile and can be used in variety of scenario. Here are few examples of practical application of flowcharts. Flowcharts are often used to plan out algorithm and software process before any code is written. They help developer visualize the logic and identify any potential issues early on. Next, in business. In business, flowcharts are used to map out workflows, handling customer order to managing inventory. This helps to optimize the process and improving efficiency. Then, teachers can use the flowchart to explain complex concepts, breaking them down into simpler steps for everyday understanding. And even in daily life, flowcharts can help organize tasks like planning a project or managing your time. Okay, so here are some tips to keep in mind when creating your own flowcharts. First, keep it simple. Use clear and concise label for each step and avoiding overcrowding your flowchart with too many details. Then just stick to the standard flowchart symbols so that your diagram is easy to read and universally understood. Then lay out your flowchart in logical order, typically from left to right or top to bottom, to guide your viewer throughout the process. And then walk through the flowchart yourself to ensure it accurately represents the process and doesn't have any gaps or error. And yeah, that's wrap our introduction to flowcharts. Whether you are solving problem, planning projects, or developing software, flowcharts are invaluable tool to have in your toolkit. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.